it's Mick and Nikita from Raising Little Baxters, and Darcy and Lucas is in that side. We are off today on our first free camp adventure in our SUV camper tally track. We're all packed up and we are about to get some coffee before we hit the road. Stay tuned.
This is the hill that nearly all ended for us. Looks pretty easy when you got a 2-ton trailer behind you. It just wants to keep going down the hill. But just quick thinking and good mates to help you out, we got out of it. Let's go see what Mummy's doing over here, okay? Get out of the way. Got the Ziggy going. Some cobblers on the menu tonight. Get out for a view. Pretty much got it all to ourselves. Beck and Ryan set up over there. Yeah, you see how that weapon got through today. It's unreal. Shower set up. We've already bathed the kids, works a treat. Nice hot water system there. There's a shower head down there. Looks awesome. Did you like your bath? Did you like your bath? Yeah? How many places can you walk out of your lounge room and straight to the beach? Not many. A look into our camper. There's our bed in there. Little boy sleeps in the cot. And the other boy has a big sleep out over here. There's heaps of room for him, eh? That's LED strips.
Oh, you are crazy.
Walk outside. Cob loaf ready to go. Cooking. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Right next to the beach. Check out what's cooking tonight. Oh my god. Roast by the beach.